Hey, curd nerds. Ever wonder what's up with the moon? That big glowing ball that makes werewolves howl and inspires bad karaoke renditions of Fly Me to the Moon? Today, we're diving into all things lunar, its size, structure, and why it's basically Earth's clingy best friend. Let's launch. Size and scale of the moon. All right, first things first, how big is the moon? Picture Earth as a basketball. Compare it to a tennis ball, that's the moon. Its diameter is about 3,474 km, or roughly the distance you'd drive to avoid family drama over the holidays. And compared to other moons, it's decent sized. Earth is the largest moon in our solar system. Ganymede and Titan are the heavyweight champs of the solar system, while our moon is like the middle sibling important, but not breaking any records. The moon orbits us from about 384,400 km away. That's like driving around the equator 10 times, or walking it once if you really hate yourself. Moon and Earth romance novel section. Ever notice how the moon looks massive when it's near the horizon? That's the moon illusion, a trick your brain plays. Basically, your brain is like, whoa, it's so close to those trees. It must be huge. Then, when it's up high at the zenith, your brain goes, just a regular old moon. Brains are weird. Structure of the moon. Time to dissect the moon. Don't worry, it won't feel a thing. Internally, the moon has 3 layers, like an onion or an ogre if you're into Shrek references. Crust the moon's outer shell. Imagine stale bread that's been sitting out since dinosaurs roamed. Mantle a mix of minerals. Think of it as the moon's chewy center. Core small and metallic. It's basically the moon's fidget spinner. On the outside, the moon has a split personality. The near side is the one we always see. It's got highlands, bumpy stuff, and Maria, dark flat plains where ancient lava had a wild time. The far side, or dark side, is like the mysterious loner in a teen movie, rugged, less flashy, and completely misunderstood. Moon formation. Let's talk about how the moon got here. The leading theory is the giant impact hypothesis, which sounds like a summer blockbuster. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized object named Dea smacked into Earth. The debris from the impact said, let's get together, and formed the moon. The best part? The moon shares a lot of its composition with Earth. Scientists have even found oxygen isotope evidence proving it. Basically, Earth and the moon are siblings, but the moon is the one that never moved out of the basement. Evolution of the moon over time. The moon's had quite the glow up. At first, it was much closer to Earth, which means tides were WILD-like, surfs up everywhere kind of wild. Over billions of years, it's been slowly backing away from us at about 3.8 km a year. Guess even the moon needs personal space. During the late heavy bombardment, the moon got pelted by asteroids, leaving behind craters and scars like a teenager with bad acne. Some of you can probably relate. Now, it's pretty chill, just sitting there reflecting sunlight and making people write poetry. Important moon features. Let's zoom in on the moon's surface features, even if it's insecure about it. Craters, these are impact scars from space rocks. Some craters even have bright rays that look like the moon tried to dress up for prom. Rills, long valleys, likely caused by ancient volcanic activity. It's like the moon's version of stretch marks. Lava tubes, tunnels left by flowing lava. Basically, the moon has secret underground hideouts perfect for alien parties. Mountain ranges, rugged peaks created by big impacts. Imagine crumpling a piece of paper and calling it a mountain. That's how it works up there. And there you have it, the moon, in all its weird, wonderful glory. It's Earth's loyal sidekick, cosmic punching bag, and the only thing in space that makes you go, wow, that's romantic. But like passive-aggressive vibes. Thanks for hanging out with us nerds. If you enjoyed this lunar adventure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next time on Earth or beyond.